All right, we got the cover off, and now we're really getting into what our issues are. So, just a little walkthrough on how these things work. Looks like a big complicated mess, but overall they're really rather simple if you understand how they work and operate. So, way a tankless water heater works is you have your temperature setting. In this case, we're at 120 degrees. Um, there are sensors on the unit that tell us what the temperature of the water coming into the unit is at. This one in this case is 61 degrees, so a little bit hotter, 62 degrees. And then it's going to give us what the actual temperature reading of the water coming out of the unit is. So the difference between these two numbers is called the temperature rise. That temperature rise is very crucial when we size these tanklesses to know how cold that water is coming in, so we know how hard the unit has to work to heat it up to meet what demand that we are after. And like I said, in this case, about 120 degrees. You can see this unit as of now is operating just as it should. The other side to how this thing operates and really gives it its efficiency is the flow rate. So every tankless water will have a flow rate on it. That tells the water heater how much water is moving through it, so it knows how much gas to apply to the burner to heat up the water. The more gallons per minute we have running through the unit, the hotter the flame has to be to heat all the water moving up and through everything. So, like I said, rather simple concept overall. There's a lot of wires and sensors and parts that communicate with each other all simultaneously, and that's what kind of makes them a little bit complicated. But like I said, we go through training on these types of units. We know them pretty well. So in this case, we are running through our diagnostic process. Right now, all my temperatures and flow rates seem to be normal, but we are just in the beginning here, so we're going to keep on hunting to see what is causing our cold showers here.